been living like a sick individual. I've been lining up my enemies and killing them in intervals. Think I'm mentally deranged and the kid is a criminal. When I tell him I'm a demon, y'all are taking it literal. Damn, I don't really got a demon inside of me, but I really got a problem and I need a lobotomy. Still I keep it level-headed for the people who follow me. Know that YPG about to make a monopoly. Y'all are bugging, I can't be controlled. Never really cared who stack cream the most. I crack teeth and bones, attack beats and foes. When I get up in the booth, the track decompose. Everybody wanna come and complain with nothing to gain. It cuts, but I'm numb in the veins. I'm loving the pain. I'm about to jump in front of a train. I'm fucking deranged, a werewolf tucking the fangs. Been up on the bottom and I'm feeling like I never make it. People wanna doubt it, but it only keep me dedicated. Pop another tab until I feel like I've been levitated. Mama looking at me like I wanna get it medicated. Swear they hate like gasoline. That's why I get fired up when they laugh at me. So give it a mic and I'ma hit them with a masterpiece. They can't compete, they're dealing with a savage beast. If I'm about to lose it, I'm the only one to blame. Victim to my thoughts, think I'm never gonna change. Know my soul is burning, still I feel no pain. Try to pray to God, but no, I can't be saved. If I'm about to lose it, I'm the only one to blame. Victim to my thoughts, think I'm never gonna change. Know my soul is burning, still I feel no pain. Try to pray to God, but no, I can't be saved.
Little aggravating when I wanna make pop, but the masses crave the rapping tracks. They mad when I acclimate, but platinum plaques don't come from a stagnant place. I work hard, still wealthy, even without budget. Your thoughts ain't really what I'm getting out of it. I don't see your feet moving, I'm peeping your mouth running. Judging off that, I don't think you ever outrun it. Sit down, get blessed, get loud, you get checked. Bitch, I'm off that. Put them on, ain't gotta flex. I've been the boss, I cut the checks. You ain't off that. And I hold it down, I don't get impressed by a little cloud or a bit of press. When your vision off track, I don't consider it loss of me. And my inner respect to be a miserable cause. To go give me a check, you can never knock that hoe. Got them all watching now. What you talk about's what you not about. 30-something still living at your mama's. Kids like you make me wanna pull a condom out. I'm pissed off, funny, you ain't got a problem now. Talking shit on YouTube, feeling boss. When I get up in they face, motherfuckers ain't talking now. It's awkward now, you running out of options now, Ain't gotta lie, I'm not gonna fight. You never claim to be the brightest in the room, but I'm wiser than y'all. I'm full of pride and stuck in my ways, but lack the arrogance to blind me to the truth when my mind is involved. I got my flaws, I got my faults, but when I get to rapping over just homie, I get applause. And when I sing, I'm happy, couldn't try my resolve. I rise and I fall, but look it, I survived through it.